What kind of cut you thinking for today?
Kind of like one of your earlier videos, but it's, kind of like lower it down a little bit to match the front, because I feel like my front is a little bit lower than my back.
Okay.
So I was just kind of like evening it out.
What do you do on the sides? Like a taper or fade?
Yeah, I'm gonna do like a fade.
Fade? Okay. Do you want to keep your C's?
Yeah, I want to keep them a little dark. So.
And do you disconnect the goatee or you
disconnect?
Disconnect it? And are you cool with enhancements?
Yeah, you could just a little light.
Just a little light?
Not
Okay.
Too crazy.
Do it, bro. All right, guys. So I don't have my mic today, but I'm gonna try to make it sound the best that it can. So today, my client, he was hiding his hair from me. Yes, he was hiding it. I didn't know it was this matted down. Off first glance, I thought it would rise up a little bit, but I combed it all out and it was this much hair. Crazy, because I wasn't even gonna wash it at first because his hair was clean, but sheesh, I'm glad I did. So this is before I washed it. This is pre-wash. Just combed it all out and man, this is crazy. Now his concern was his hairline. I knew it wouldn't be an issue. He had a healthy head of hair, very dark hair too. So I'm going with the grain with my detachables. I'm just mowing it down. So this is after I wash his hair. I'm gonna smooth it down with my 1.5 guard, going with the grain. When you cutting all that hair off, especially when it was matted, there's still gonna be parts that are still matted. That's why you have to wash the hair. You have to, it's not a choice. You have to wash the hair. And once it's all cut to the level I like it at, I'm gonna just brush it in and put my bottom line in. Now I'm not gonna lie, I thought his hair was like gonna be a breeze to fade. But it wasn't as easy as I thought, which I kinda like. I always like a challenge. And immediately under that, just balled it all out. This ain't no tutorial. I'm just showing y'all a satisfying process. That's it. That's it. This is a part of my free haircut series. I mention it in dang near every video. If you're interested in getting a free haircut and you're in the Philly area, or if you're near Jersey or New York, I'm in Philadelphia. If you want to get a free cut, it's redeemable once for a video, come through. Send me a picture of your hair. You can DM it or contact me through my website, thefourthken.com. And notice just how fast and how easy and seamless a fade process really is. Even though his hair was a bit more difficult, like I said, but still, the fading process is fairly simple. Now notice how I'm avoiding his C-cup area. Because it's lighter, I'm gonna match it up to that. So I'm gonna match the dark areas up to that, which will kind of help disguise it and keep the darkness there. And for the back, I kind of just swoop it down a little bit, just a little bit. Now this is kind of like a stretch fade. This isn't like a compress. Never was a fan of that. For those who are new, a compressed fade is like those fades that don't look blended. They're very low and very minimal. So they use the barber uses the least amount of space as possible. I'm not a fan. I just think it looks a little weird. For a low fade, sure, but not no mid fade or none. What this is wave foam. So this is for if you're cutting off a lot of amounts of hair and you want to start rocking a low cut for waves, use this phone. This mustache came out crispy though. Just watch this. I always bring out the yellow clippers after, or the trimmers after, just because they get a little closer than these trimmers. And I have them set like that on purpose. Once you take the do-rag off, his forehead's gonna be a little greasy because of the foam. Clean it off with some alcohol, spray a little bit of hairspray, and you can get them crispy just like that. So again, in the middle, work my way to the right, walk it over. Punch in them vertical bars, make sure they're nice. Now I like using this trimmer, my matte black, for the C cups just because they're super sharp on the edges. And we just gonna make a ghost line for his corners, keeping them thick as possible but not pushing it too far back. And for the enhancements, a light layer, a light coat. That's it. Nothing too heavy, nothing too noticeable. The point of enhancements is so that people won't even know it's enhanced unless it's a barber, you know? Shout out Easy Blade shaving products. Use my promo code the4thken for a 10% discount on any of the products they have on their website. Lastly, I'm gonna freehand trim the top.
I like it, cool. Yeah, yes, sir.
And this is how my client came in. He was hiding all this hair from me. And this is how he's leaving. Make sure you drop a like if you like this video. It's your boy 4. I'll see y'all next video. Peace.